Hello everybody. Welcome to another video of 2023 on today's trades. Today there was news fundamentals, which was CPI. It was CPI today. Okay, yes. I did manage to trade CPI, but I did manage to lose some, and I tried to get some back over here. But though I wasn't trading this, I was actually trading Cpi USD and a little bit of gold. Let me just open that for you. But anyways, let's be here while that is loading, because I have a problem with the internet in my place. So I was trading Cpi USD, and as you can see from the EU chart, anyways, I shall show you something from the EU chart. Firstly, what I was looking at this area here. In the morning. So when I woke up, I looked at this area. I looked at the previous daily low over here. This was my previous daily low, and then that was my previous daily high. So I thought the market should actually take out the daily low, the previous daily low, and then go all the way up. But now the market came over here and started going up. So I thought, the market might actually head all the way up, and the market did go all the way up, and it came back down. So I think GU has loaded. Yes, that was my trade on GU. But my stop loss wasn't as big as that. I had a very tight stop loss somewhere there. Yes, but it got triggered because these are fundamentals. So yeah, it got triggered. No, this was less than 10 pips. My stop loss was less than that. I think my stop loss was about 5 pips, somewhere there. So and my entry, honestly, my entry was here, because I did get into some profits for quite a while. I did get into some profits right there. My entry was on this candle. This was where my entry was, and I placed my stop loss below there. And all these were profits that I had made, I had made, and apparently things didn't go the way they were supposed to go, and I didn't quite make those profits because news came back, because the charts came back, the market came back, took out the daily low, yesterday's daily low, and decided to go all the way up. So I learned a lot of things. Firstly, always look at the daily low, and then always trade with the trend. Anyways, I was right to buy in. I was going with the right trend. But anyways, the weak saw is the one that killed me. Creating that, then going all the way up, is the one that killed me, and I lost some money in this trade. But nevertheless, we will still come back up. We used risk management, so we are bound to go back up again. So yeah. Anyways, a lesson that one should learn is always anticipate the best from the market, of course, and always anticipate for the worst, and always use your stop loss and risk management. So that's the lesson that I learned from today. Nevertheless, it's almost my first time losing on news this year. So yeah. So anyways, we had a charge over there. We had a change of character. So after a change of character, actually we had a bigger change of character there after news had happened, because when they came close above that zone over there. So we had a big change of character. After a big change of character happened, the market was supposed to go and take the order block of that change of character. The order block of that change of character, which is this one, which was this one. Okay, order block of that change of character, which is this order block over here. So what did the market do? The market came back, ran all the way past the order block, taking out all the stop losses that were here, positions that were triggered here with stop losses down here, they were triggered and taken out. Then the market went up. Now, what we should ask ourselves is, why did the market reverse right here? And those are the questions that we should be asking ourselves. Why did the market reverse right over here? So let's find out from before what had happened. in previous days for the market to reverse over there. What is it exactly there? As we can see, we have a rally, base rally, and we had, as you can see, what did we have here? Let's just check it out. We had a fair value gap that wasn't tapped into, fair value gap, and the market came and tapped into that fair value gap, as you can see. Let's just mark it properly. It was actually tapped into but a little bit, then the market came and really tapped into it and decided to go up. So that's the reason why the market decided to come back all the way up to there. Okay, yes, so yeah, that's the reason, and we need to learn from that experience all alone. Yes, so it was a happy trading day. I also had gold, by the way. I also had gold, so let's just take a look at gold. I also had gold as well, so let's take a look at gold. Let's just take a little bit of a look at gold, find out what exactly happened on this gold thing. I believe this is too big, so I'm just reducing a little bit so that it can fit in the screen. So I had gold over there. So what I did with gold, usually this is what I do when I'm trading news or CPI or something of that nature. This is what I usually do. So I enter my trades earlier during the day. If I'm anticipating that the market is going to buy, I enter my trades earlier during the day, and then I let them run. So I was in profits all over here with gold. I was in profits, right? So when that happened, when news came, I decided, no, let me hold in case it did like the previous CPI, whereby it just went up. It never did all this thing here, all this rejection and manipulation and stuff. No, it never did that. It just went straight up. So I thought maybe this time it's the same thing that's gonna happen, but this time, well, nevertheless, it was the same thing. Now, what I learned is that I did say this to my students in the morning. I remember that the Asian law on the market has to be taken out. The Asian law has to be taken out, and there was the Asian law. I remember I did say this to my students. Yes, I think I have a picture of it. I'll just post it over here, so you just see the picture over there. So that was our Asian law. So the Asian law had to be taken out, and that's taking out of the Asian law, coming to this order block after this change of character was created. So the Asian law had to be taken out. Then the market was going all the way up. You see, then the market went back all the way up. So if we had positions right over here, they would be triggered and the market would go all the way up. You see, so that's where big banks had their positions right here. The banks had their positions right here, and when the market got there, it went all the way up. Okay, yes, like I said, well, my network is a bit tricky. Nevertheless, I'll end this video here. I hope we learned a lot, and the next video I hope to be talking about the fair value gap. I hope to be talking about fair value gap. I hope it won't be a long video. Yes, fair value gap. So catch the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.